Hello Internet, Yuki here with a new update on the Necken game project-ish. Well, new update on Necken. It's been a while since I made the last recording, mostly because there's been a lot of design stuff and I haven't really had anything new to show you until, well, now. So the first thing is the new HUD, the new interface. As you can see, it looks a bit better. Come on. And well, it looks better with bars and stuff like that, and added some juice to it as well, so it moves a bit nicer. And well, the star thing is supposed to show the damage, but it doesn't do that now with these, well, random debug buttons, so ignore that. But that is what it looks like, and I know it's not perfect, but well, it's an improvement, so we'll stick with that for now. The other big thing is combat. I added some new combat stuff. The combat interface looks pretty much the same, but it's a bit juicier. So I have some effects on top of the like the moves category. Can you move the cursor? There you go. And well, when you pick a source, it shows well, moves the icon a bit better and stuff like that. So that's what that looks like. And also a new enemy. This enemy comes when you destroy a spawn tile. So he's angry and he's aiming for the house. And if you guys remember, when the enemies break the house, you lose the game. So these guys are super angry, so let's just kill him and move on with the updates. Sorry. So last time the combat for the spawn tiles that I'm right next to right now was well, you activate the tile and then you hit it with the sword only. But I did remake this into, like, so the spawn tile is basically an enemy right now, so but it's not triggered. God, that juice did not hit right. So the spawn tile is an enemy, but you activate the combat by pressing space, pressing the activation button, and you only do this for a round. So you have 3 moves each round, and you only battle this spawn tile for 1 round, and then the combat is aborted. Mostly because right now the enemy has, like, the spawn tile has 5 health, but like, let's say that it has 50, and you have no way to deal 50 damage. So how are you supposed to kill it? Well, just breaking combat was kind of necessary, and I don't really think that it breaks the design. God, I should not have had that. Well, too late now. So yeah. And right next to the enemy health is a sword with a +2, because I implemented protection levels, or like protection overall. So you have your 3 damage sources: the body, the sword, and the shield. And enemies can be weak or strong against these different damage sources. So this spawn tile is weak against sword, so you get a +2 damage when you attack it with a sword. So I wanted to keep, like, I wanted the player to keep using the sword against the spawn tile because of balance stuff, but you don't have to. So you don't have to use the sword, but you get a damage bonus if you do. And it works the other way around as well. So if an enemy is strong against your damage source, you do a -2 damage. So if you have a 2 damage in total, well, then you do 0. So and I think that makes the combat a bit deeper. So there's more to it than just, oh hey, I'm attacking and it's done. So this specific enemy does not have any weaknesses or strengths at all, but overall it makes the combat, like, more tactical, and you really have to pick your like the correct damage source for your situation. Like the sword could be super effective, but you really want to save it for later, or you don't really have the ability to repair it right now, or any other reason you might have to just, well, I want to save the sword, so I'll use something else, even if the enemy is weak against it. And well, let's just kill this guy. There we go. And I also added like, you have 3 different resource tiles, right? So you have the tree, you have the stone, and you have the berries. And I wanted the player to be able to see that, well, there's supposed to be a stone tile here, but it's empty. So earlier, when you grabbed all the stone from the stone tile, it would look just like an empty tile. But right now it looks like this, and the trees look like this, and the berries, come on berry, they're so quick, the berries look like this. So come on. No? Okay. Okay. Can I just press my other debug button? Yeah. So you can see that there's supposed to be a tile there that is not empty. And well, why do you want to know this? Well, if I restart the game quickly, and then grab some resources with my cheat buttons. The main reason you would want to see that there's an empty tile there is because you can build stuff right now. So when you press space, you collect, but when you hold space, you get a hammer, and when you release it, you open the build menu. And right now there are 2 buildings that you can build, and they don't do anything because I haven't really gotten there yet. But you can build stuff for your resources, and just well, let's say that I want to build a fence to protect my house, because, well, they are attacking. So, and then let's say that this is a tower, so I'll build a tower here to I don't know what the tower will do, but the player will have the ability to build stuff, and I'm designing that stuff right now, and I have a couple of things that I want to implement, but I'm not really sure how that will affect the game, and I want the buildings to be just right before actually making them. And I think that's about it. That's the stuff that I've been building for the last couple of weeks, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to know more about the Necken game, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and hopefully I will see you again next time. Goodbye.